Adding links in Mailchimp emails allows you to direct your audience to specific web pages, resources, or actions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log in with your credentials. Create or edit a campaign. Click on Campaigns and either create a new campaign by clicking Create Campaign or select an existing campaign to edit. Access the email builder. Click Design Email to enter the email builder where you can customize your email content. Select text or image to link. Click on the text block or image block where you want to add the link. Add a link to text. Highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. Click the link icon in the toolbar. Enter the URL you want to link in the provided field. Click Insert to add the link. Add the link to an image. Click on the image block to open the Content Studio. Click the link icon that appears at the top of the image. Enter the URL in the provided field. Click Insert to add the link. Test the link. Click Save and Close to save your changes. Use the preview option to test the link and ensure it directs to the correct URL. Save and send. After confirming the link works correctly, finalize your email content. Send a test email to yourself to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Once satisfied, send your campaign.